So how you guys doing? So please, if you're new to my channel, I'm going to show you Pionex. This is a bot trading place. I know how to use Bitsgap, Pionex, 3 Comas, and KuCoin bots, so that you can know how to navigate in there. So please subscribe, hit the bell icon and share. Whatever this video is, please subscribe. I really appreciate that. And if you're interested in joining the platform, whatever platform I'm actually talking about, please click on that link and you can actually get into it as soon as possible. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go to Pionex. And logically, you need to go and sign up with Pionex first, and then it will take you to this here. They have a tutorial for beginners. So what happens when you, so we're going to go from left to right. This is Evolve, be safe, be equipped with crypto trading bots, trade. This is an area where we can actually use different kinds of bots to trade. We got bots that can actually make limit orders, which is orders that you tell the market how much you want to pay. Example, Doge right now is 0.08. What if you wanted to pay 0.05 for Doge? You will make a limit order and you will state that you want to pay 0.05. Okay. There's also selling orders. You can do a buy or sell order. If you buy Doge at 5, you're gonna sell it at 15 cents, and you can go here and you put sell at that price. We got market orders, which is basically the market tells you what you need to pay. And Doge right now is 8 cents, 0.08. So you will pay that if you do a market order. And then we got a grid sell. This is where you can set a bot, either buy grid or sell grid bot. And there's different ways. There's arithmetic, there's geometric, and there's the grids. I'm not going to show you how to start any of these bots. I'm just giving you a background on the interface here. So then we're going to go here to trade. It's going to take you to the same place. We got bots here where you decide what you're going to trade. We got manual bots that you put the parameters of those bots, like the one that I just showed you there. And we got an area where you can swap a coin for another, like USDT to Doge or the opposite. Here we got the light theme. If you don't like the dark theme, you can actually change to the light theme. Let's leave it like that for now. And here, if you need to talk to support, you click here. Always be sure that whenever you're clicking on any link, that's the right link. There's phishing links that look almost the same as the real thing, where it's not the website. This is where they want to get your information. That's the reason why it is important for you to use and click the link that is in my description box, so you get into the right place. So here's where you train, like I show you. Here's where you swap. Here's where you can deposit USD either through a debit card or wire. I always use debit card because it's the fastest, and you can add a debit card here and follow these steps. Deposit fee 30 to 2.9. Deposit limit 1,000 of daily limit availability. Deposit speed, card deposits are usually credited within a few seconds. If it takes longer, it's because the charge is undergoing review. Withdrawal limits. For security reasons, you will not be able to withdraw the equivalent amount of your card deposits for 10 days. So basically, when you deposit here, it's going to be here for a while. And you can follow the order histories. I will never use wire transfer. It takes longer. You can come here and look at what the market is doing in spot or ranks. Okay, spot. This is the ones that are doing the best for spot tradings. These are the ones that are ranked, market cap ranked. Bitcoin is always the first and ETH is always the second. We got the academy here for people to learn how to bot trade, but some people would like to, fast track their learning. So that's what I'm here for. And the support, mail, FAQs, and their platforms. And then here is where you got your information. I want to show my information. And that's a little bit overview of Pionex. Now, Pionex, unlike like other bot services that I use, don't charge you in the beginning. They charge you from the fees, from the profit that you make. Okay. And so that's how this works. If you don't pay a service, you're gonna pay a commission. Okay. Just so you know that. And that's it with Pionex. So please, again, if you want to learn more about bots or day trading, follow my channel. I'm all about crypto. This is all I do 24/7. I don't do anything else. So subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share. This is Mari Cruz, bringing the gap between the rich and the poor, coming from the great state of Texas. Peace. Take care.